Hello friends, today I will talk about hydrogen, that is a gas in our surrounding. This is the hydrogen symbolized. It has only one electron and only one proton, so this is the lightest element ever found in the earth, and it has atomic number 1 and atomic mass 1, so it does not have any neutron. You can see by then it has only one electron and a one proton and a electron is revolving around its orbit. So it is the simplest element ever seen in the whole universe. It has very simple properties, like this is a gas of its melting point is 13.99 Kelvin, and you can say like minus 259.16 approximately degrees Celsius, and its boiling point of course is minus 252.879 degrees Celsius, that is minus 20.271 Kelvin. And the scientist who discovered this element hydrogen is very famous, Henry Cavendish, in 1766. Now this is a colorless gas and category is diatomic nonmetal, and I found in uh, what you say Wikipedia that its definition is hydrogen is an element with symbol H and an atomic number 1. This is obvious, no? Atomic number means the number of proton in the atom. So this is the simplest atom. Now I will discuss some of the very basic properties of hydrogen. Let's go. And you can see hydrogen has its single valency. Many atoms has single valency, but hydrogen is, you know, unique because it is small and it has only one valency. So almost every element can form a bond with this, like hydrogen can bond with hydrogen itself and make H2 gas, that is hydrogen gas we called. And yes, of course, oxygen has two valency and hydrogen as though has one valency, so they got a mix and make our beautiful element water that gives us life, H2O water. And this is methane. C means carbon. Carbon has four valency, 1 2 3 4, and hydrogen has one valency, so it covers is all valence cells. CH4, H4 has H, and this is called methane. Now you can make hydrogen in your home by water and a battery. Now you have to take a beaker like this, and it has a cathode and anode with a battery fully charged, of course, and you will get in the cathode these bubbles are of hydrogen gas H2 and these are oxygen, but how this is formed you will learn later. But remember this, in the cathode it will hydrogen and in the anode it will always oxygen. That you can say always hydrogen is produced greater than oxygen. Why? Because H2O, so in water H is greater than oxygen because oxygen is only one and H is only two. Not only, H is 2, so H is bigger, not bigger, it's greater in quantity, so you will get more hydrogen than oxygen, of course. And now I will say something about hydrogen. Hydrogen is a chemical element with symbol H and atomic number 1, I have told you already, and with a standard atomic weight of 1.008, hydrogen is the lightest element on the periodic table. I have already told you, but remember these things, these are important. In monoatomic form, H is the most abundant chemical substance in the universe, consisting roughly 75% of all biotic mass. Non Renant stars are mainly composed of hydrogen in the plasma state. The most common isotope of hydrogen termed protium, name rarely used, symbol 1H, has one proton and no electron. Sorry, no neutron, because atom has to be neutral. So how many numbers of electrons? There are equal number of proton there to be neutral. Okay, so guys, if you like my video of hydrogen, you can like the video or comment if you want to comment me, or you have to know that I am a little children, so I can get some wrong decisions. You can do your best to promise me that you will subscribe it.